Ayan, gusto niyo ba magpa-register ng cat ninyo, ng dog ninyo, bird, or if you have any other animal, pet, pwede niyo pa-register ngayon sa IAGD for free at pupunta lang kayo sa iagd.pet na website at meron na rin po tayong app ngayon. Ask us for the downloadable app, no? Bibigyan namin kayo ng link. Actually, it's just iagd.pet/download. Tapos po, pwede nyo na i-download yun sa cellphone ninyo and magagamit nyo na yung IAGD. It's very simple. All you have to do is sign up, no? Pwede kayong mag-sign up through Google and pwede rin kayong mag-sign up through filling up a form. Tapos, member na po kayo ng IAGD. Now, if you want to register your pets, andali na po dun sa app. You only have to click a button, tapos gagamitin na nung app yung cellphone camera ninyo. Take a picture of your dog, your cat, or bird, or fish, or cattle, or whatever. At ilalagay nyo lang yung details niya doon sa form na makikita nyo doon sa screen. So it's very simple ngayon to register a pet. Hindi nyo kailangan pumila, magpunta sa office, magbayad, because this is free. This is an online registry na free. Biruin nyo yon. But if you want to have your pets hard copy certificate, pwede rin kayo magpagawa sa amin. 500 for the certificate of registration. Kung gusto niyo yung pedigree certificate, 500 pesos yon. But if you want, may package po kami na 1,200 para na po yung certificate of registration, pedigree certificate, at saka yung leatherette folder ng IAGD na maganda. Okay, if you also have a cattery, nagbe-breed kayo ng cats, if you have a kennel, nagbe-breed kayo ng dogs, or if you have like a whole menagerie at home na marami kayong mga pets, you can also put them all together in an animal facility registration page. So nandun lahat yung mga pets ninyo, 3,000 pesos po yung ganon. Nandun po lahat, no? So it's equivalent to a kennel registration or a cattery registration sa ibang mga registries. So animal facility po, napakaganda rin po niyang marketing tool if you want to sell dogs or cats or other pets, or if you have an aviary, if you sell exotic pets, etc. So IAGD is the most high-tech pet registry nowadays. Soon it will also be available from the Google Play Store and App Store, so that it's going to be much easier, no? Soon na po yan. And meron po mga iba-ibang mga features yung IAGD app natin. It's the super app na if you also find like a stray dog or stray cat sa community ninyo, you can take a picture of that and report it sa IAGD para mai-report sa tamang authorities, no, for the safety of the community, for the safety of the pet, and baka mahanap nung pet yung owner niya through the community database. Alright, so thank you po sa tanong po ninyo. If you have any other questions about the IAGD, please feel free to comment or PM us. IAGD, ang pinakamagandang animal registry ngayon. And we also have organizations, no? If you want to build a club within the IAGD, we also welcome that. We will support you. We'll give you the platform, and we'll help you out, no? And this is international, so even if you're going to go to other countries, ay valid pa rin naman yung IAGD. You can find it online. You can also use it as a proof of ownership kung yung pet ninyo ay wala pang registration. You can have a proof of ownership anywhere you go. And pwede nyo ring i-upload doon yung vaccination card. Soon we'll also come up with yung ating digital vaccination card for vets if you're interested about that. And you can also consult with a veterinarian through the IAGD app, at inaayos na po yan. If you're a veterinarian and you are interested in that, please contact us para po ilagay na po namin kayo as a veterinarian accredited sa IAGD to accept teleconsults. Okay, so maraming mga features yung ginagawa po natin ngayon sa IAGD. You'll be very very surprised and happy kapag ma-download niyo po siya. Paglaruan niyo lang po yung app. Mag-message lang po kayo sa amin, or ilagay ko sa comment section yung link na pwede nyong i-download yung app natin for now. Okay, ang date ngayon ay May 30, 2026, and soon baka hindi na to updated. You can probably find the app in Play Store and iOS App Store soon. Okay, thank you Ma'am Luz, and for everybody who's watching. Dr. Abel Manalo nga po pala ito, a veterinarian, owner of Manalo Canine, SDN Dog Food, and IAGD.